Sound Absorption Cotton. 100% eco-friendly. Vibration damping and soundproofing. Tight structure and stable shape. Products are odorless and 0% formaldehyde. Waterproof, moisture-proof, and good breathability. Fuqiang Precision Company. Liu Minhua.
Hello, I'm Liu Minhua, currently serving as General Manager of Fuqiang Factory. The product I'm endorsing: two-component sound absorption, cotton. It is a high-performance material. Control of vibration and noise in automotive interiors. It is made of fine PET fibers, mixed and laminated with PP fiber, sound absorbing and heat insulating layers, respectively. It has high sound absorption, lightweight, hydrophobic, flame retardant, environmentally friendly, etc. Its special structure become an indispensable product for automotive interiors. Our Fuqiang Precision Co. Limited. Production of two-component sound absorption, cotton. It is a set of dissolving spray, edge, sealing, and stamping processes in one, adhering to the customer-first service tenet. Meet the full range of customization needs of customers. Thank you, and welcome to subscribe to Fuqiang Group.